I just finished this vintage Reuge singing bird cage. This is one of the earlier Reuge examples. This was crafted in February of 1969. Gorgeous blue bird. The bluebirds are my favorite. They're also rather uncommon. I fully serviced the mechanism, so this automaton works exactly as it should. I'm going to position the lever to the intermittent or pause feature first. All of your singing bird cages have 3 operating settings, including pause. And if the pause doesn't work, that indicates that there's a problem with the singing bird cage. This has a nice long pause, indicating that the bellows and the mechanical movement are in excellent operating condition. Let's move it to continuous. It's a very strong singer. The bird song is loud and crisp, yet sweet. The bird opens and closes her mouth, which is synchronized to the bird song. The tail also flaps, and her head rotates as well, and her entire body rotates too. Very, very nice condition. Go ahead and turn this off. Bear with me. So in summary, a vintage 1969 Reuge singing bird cage in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. Very, very pretty. Take care.